Share this video. Share this video. I want to join this broadcast. Meto makara share button. Mataya se brukwa no gabi again. The master of propaganda. The master of propaganda. Okwu asị na-ejeri ya ozi. Okwu asị na-ejeri Mataya asị ozi. So share this video now. I want to join now. After okwu asị obukwa wee pụta yesterday. After okwu asị obukwa wee pụta yesterday. Agwa m unu na onweghịzi ife dụka House of Rep na nke ahụ agago. Ọ niile anya ifu na after ejechara the so-called celebration on Sunday, Monday, nwere anything ịghọtago, onweghị anything ekwuru ịghọtago, onweghị anything ekwuru. Austin jeje nwoke dụka nwoke ya adụ na arụ nwe ife nwoke ji Facebook money eme ọsọkwa gị ikwe ọsọ ya ekwe na iwu ahụ na iyi ekwe nwere ife nji Facebook money eme ịghọtago. Nwoke karịrị Facebook money ife nwoke na-akụ ha maka ị na-aghọta na na-akụ ha ma onweghị ife ọzọ and ife ahụ ichu ikwe iche ekwe na ịghọtago. Oke n'ọrụ m uwu ime ka anya mepee ịchọzikwa ka anya mepee ruo ịchọ ka o mepee. Continue dwelling in lies. Continue dwelling in lies. Good news. I am blocking you not because of a lot of you feel here. I am blocking you because you can never be like before my block. Oh, let me tell you, you can never be like B-Lord. You can never be like B-Lord. You can never be like him. Jealous people like you will always remain in that condition. That good life you are dreaming to live. That good life you are dreaming to live, which B-Lord is living a whole of that life now. You can never enjoy that life. Get used to that. If mukolobia to kayune mo fuma, ine obiana fufu omolonye meri beye, omolonye meri beye. Anama juju. If a young guy like you who is doing fine, who is hustling and living a life of your dream, you are you itatul every day. Ina yochuku meri ebele ki gota moto. Ina yochuku meri ebele ke no wanye moto mu. Ina yochuku meri ebele ke no tezibuno. Ina yochuku nya meri ebele ki it is smile na face of other people. Ina yochuku nya meri ebele ke wo a blessing to generations. All these things are the prayers in every morning. But when you see the people who are living that life you are praying for, ubiana fu, kinife na fu, bilo de keruyaka, keropa. Kinife de fa bilo do achieve chalo, washi onozo, uno mozo nozo ya achieve. Unajoso na tagaria musu. This is why it is difficult for an Igbo man no una abilitena. Unachoku unu pull way down. Unachoku unu pull way down. Jealousy and envy. Epukwana nye again. If you contribute to high rate of Etontona East today, and all this alwana ememe is because of jealousy. Jealousy and obiofu vindictiveness. Each day no ojidege naria ojege hapuko ojebelo umwe. Kevin atasi ya of even atari ya of why all you do no na exotic car go on only more for me pugare. You gotta go. So I will now block you after national food for thought. Isho iwori emi ife isho ewone ewe emi ife tagareba na amusu Bruno beautiful pagareba e wata go Bruno fu beautiful pagareba every day cash this omelugo gono so si ifo omelugo no ogoro jigade go see na Facebook if you no nwere ife ojo na eme go and prove it. You a personal police. You are not a personal police. One of onye na-ebi a good life. If also no ye mewu na ebido say ti weri trap, say ti weri trap. Shoba ka onye nwa ka iwe for justification. Efa ka ọ na-emeri oji wee kago mma. Mana ngo myself ebe ahụ nọ nwere ofuru bishi na-eme. He's still not taking you to anywhere. It should be him man. For you to have a good life, you must first of all admire, thank God on behalf of other people. Ina atagari amusu na-ewugharị anya ọkụ. Iya anọ na anọ ụkpọrọ. Scorecard always ka ya dey record. Scorecard ka ya dey record. Ịghọtago? Ifu kesh ka obu moto bata be wolu ndị civil defense on a normal. Wo civil defense ya dey eche. Ife de we iwe no gosiri ya na Facebook. Ịbịakwa na Facebook page ngụnwa. Igo moto ọ dị ebe a. Ilu na ọdụ dị ya. Onwekwa ife ọmụ igosikwa ndị mmadụ ka ha nyere gị aka ije Thanksgiving igosi ife niile. Mana the only crime o commit ewu na nke ye I'll do your own. Ire iwe kedu ife na-ewe ya kedu ife na-ewe cash nọ na DSS cash nọ n'ebe cash nọ n'ebe a build this one una yewe ji obere onye wee maatụ were ndị Igbo si nọ nnukwu onye ka eji akụ akụkụ ọmụkwurie nnukwu onye ka eji akụ akụkụ onwe onye ke ịnọ ka dị were obere onye na-akọgọ ka ife ya ada akọ ịghọtago so if unu na-enjoy wo ka na-eme public show of poverty so nya if unu na-enjoy and all these people they show their hustle una ya fear vintage once in a while always ka vintage na-egosi ebe ọ na-eje obodo oyibo je ọ da cotton je ebe ọ na-alụgasị ọrụ ima is right na ọ na-egosi ebe ahụ ọ na-crack brain ye wee na-beautified ndị mmadụ unu ye mere oji wee vintage interiors today mana o gosi ha Rolls Royce ya Corina nye and Eva egbalụ bịa die ọ bụrụ na abịara ịgba ọkụ ka the same thing with a lot of our people obi kuba na ugo na ọ na-atọ ọtọ ọfụ site nke o je to site nke o je ebe ọ na-amaketi mmanya na-amaketi nke you will not see that hustle ha na-egosi mana ifo ha ye ka ọ nọ na Range Rover na ọ na-efa iburu anya ukwu bịa that's one is on you. Matthias, back to you. Afụ m ebe because agba m nọ na onwerezie anything ndo ka campaign a na-eme ịghọtago ọnụ kata chigata bido ime campaign manụ anyị kwagwirie emergency campaign ịghọtago since that Sunday eji wee celebrate shall victory win na primaries wee ruo today. Have you ever heard Matthias say anything again about campaign here? Rather or better live broadcast yesterday to talk about updating one or inye important update nchekwa na update one or inye nwere something to do with campaign here, nwere something to do with the people of Ozowane and the people of Igbo etiti ochigatakwa back so rudo chukwu wee nye order churches niile and the ife niile wopụ their signboard nwee sị ka njụọ this morning signboard church gopugo ngwa na ebe a na m ajụ ajụjụ this morning shake elu mmadụ na signboard church go opugo ka ọkada ebe a. You see, he will keep spreading lies and propaganda, and this is the kind of person, this kind of deceiver who somebody who na-achọ ka ụmụ wolu ye bịa tii ka ọ dị represent ya ndị mmadụ ka eberebe wee gbuo ka o wee wolu ụga wee tụgbuo ndị mmadụ. Can you show me a news ebe Soludo kwuru that na churches niile busisia signboard ha? Can you tell me one reason? Yes, Obane Soko, I will continue to watch him the same way you will continue to watch me. One. You got to go. Watch here with information. Analyze and go and watch him. More information out from me. On I had that with sense and on my own platform. Now watch him. Now season continue watching another person. You got to go. But I'm not even, I can't watch you. That is the difference. I'm watching Matthias. Matthias and I watch him. You got to go. Oh no, how watching? How was he able to accept the challenge in year before? You know that go, boy, I can't watch you, but you will be watching me. So, as I was saying, or say, na Soludo nyere order churches niile bupu signboard ha. Na unu need the healing and the efa. Na uzukwa na isho hi bupu ya, go happy, but na ya bia prove. Can you tell me, kelebe that news si wee puta na Anambra State? If I can dimpa mmadụ no kata by broadcast, live broadcast, and they keep putting Soludo out of context. My happiness is that Apona result and in the mother I forgot that the difference is clear. When native doctors was arrested and the Soludo that Even the one I watched yesterday again, after Neme research and everybody, I still saw where he said that Anambra State is predominantly a Christian state. He said it, that Anambra State is predominantly a Christian state, still hitting on that hammer. He will know that Anambra State is dominated by Christians. That is number one. You cannot do anything about it. That is the fact, not on the ground. But what they kept on misquoting Soludo out of context, when Soludo says something and he make reference to fake miracles, fake prophecies, and for somebody to acknowledge that name will fake miracles or believe name were the real ones, for somebody to say fake prophecies, or believe in a prophecy na alolo. Otherwise, the message will be against prophecies and miracles. But as I am teaching you now so that you learn. Because in a way, non video the campaign, when you're on a way jump into it, when you're on a way blah. For somebody to say fake miracles, name will a miracle. For somebody to say fake prophecies, name will only prophecies. There has never been any video, except if you are going to show me one, where Soludo said there is no miracles, where Soludo said that prophecy does not exist. I am yet to see any video where you are going to show me that. You cannot. But what I was saying at first, I go result, I have to go the difference between we Christians and the as black as Shako. They were that group of Aruana. The different. When native doctors were arrested, all over social media, making noise everywhere. When pastors was arrested, arrested a lot of pastors. When they were arrested, you did not hear any noise. Did you hear any noise? The answer is no. Even when they went as far as talking about Father Shaloko and the Mazidibia, let me tell you something, because I saw a video where Ebe Mazidibia na Shaloko ne dirije ko uno ka Shaloko na practice na ndoko na ebe ne dirije kutu uno ka na eje kutu shrine akwa okuko na eje kutu shrine akwa okuko. Therefore na suppose eje kutu uno ka Mazidibia. I am challenging you today. I like challenging you people because those are the challenges you cannot accept. Yes, it's not part of the people. Yellow news that Udo Gachi arrested Reverend Chaloko. I am now challenging you. Show me any proof. Show me any evidence that showed you that Nde Udo Gachi or Ndagone arrested Chaloko. I want you to show me one proof. Show me one proof. You don't even have any proof that showed that he was arrested. There was never a time government listed affair among the people that was arrested. Yes. Apart from the fact that the church here suspended here, which na the letter a follow na letter church here were suspended. I want you to show me a proof that he was arrested. The only places one on target all these big notable pastors and the Catholic and Anglicans. Where happened? They talk about Bishop Emeka Mwamba. They non custody. You don't want to talk about them. You have no business talking about them. Often and all you people say that these are not even the popular ones. Why do we happen the big ones? Let us assume that these pastors are guilty of the crime and charge. A bigger one and smaller one. So him will bigger thief, more smaller thief. Yeah? So ndene zuohi owuru na deriwa mama cannot do today. So also deriwa mama ke na show. Ida show other ndohi. So until you mude deriwa mama, other ndohi ni na mude, people should leave them. Unahi with sense. Nne kuye uleche na ase. Unahi with sense. Share this video because actually kumuko ka no if aneku. You left all the people in custody. You have never talked about them. You don't have any reason to talk about them. Even Harrison Delu, you people have no reason to talk about them. ndị na target wo Ebuka Obi ọkụ na-ere mba ọ nọghọ ife anọ even Ebuka Obi no Lagos a na-akpọ Ebuka Obi Fada Ebube Mmụọ Nsọ name them ọndụrụ na target Odumeje ọndụrụ na target kedu ife unu jikwa na target ndị a because ndị ahụ ndị kwuo na-alụ okwu against that evil nonsense unu na-eme ndị ahụ ndị kwugoro okwu against that evil crime ndị a committed wụ na ndị afụrụ ife ọjọọ kpọọ ife ọjọọ nyawo crime ha committed ndị afụrụ ife ọjọọ kpọọ ife ọjọọ ọ hapụ ndị a niile gbakwuje na chala ọkụ enuru ka o kwuru Bishop Nwamkpa ha na ndị otu ha si jee demolish chọọchị ha enuru ka o kwurie okwuhe no Reverend chala ọkụ onweghị evidence na enwere ebe arrest ya. There has never been a time ndị agụ na-eche mba on ndị Udogachi or Anambra State government drop statement that Chaloku was arrested. There was never a time Hanyel statement that he was set free. There was never a time Hanyel statement na arena in a court. It happened that arena in a court. You now started talking about Akwokoko that has been convicted. Ejena kutu shrine ekehit. Ejeko demolish temple onyeze Jesus. Kerife patare ejiwoje demolish shrine Akwokoko. It is because Akwokoko has been convicted. He has pleaded guilty to the crime charge and he has been convicted. So that's why the full force and weight of the Anambra State homeland laws was enforced on him. That is number one. Number two, I am educating the Mugu. Yet he has never sued even one person. Yet in the Koreaka, was right down. We are right beside you. I'm out to go blue now. Am I up a womb? Will you play? Will you figure one in it? Will you figure one in it? It's an ando can a mugu. It's in a mugundo can a live, but buying a mugu, another person may live. He uses a mugu. Yeah, he uses after he uses the mugu. It's in a one mugu, but I buy another mugu. You require another mugu. You gotta go. I am asking you. So now let us even assume that Reverend Chaloko was actually convicted. Or when you Anglican Church eba ho na practice na mando. Or when you if you don't ban a barrow no phone Anglican Church. If you don't ban a barrow no one person with Anglican Church. You can actually either be an officiating priest there, posted to that place. You can be posted to 50 other places before you retire as a priest. So sometimes they don't have sense. You are fighting an Anglican church or a Catholic church that has that will go more like an institution of its own, and you think you can succeed anywhere. You cannot succeed. You cannot succeed. So all these lies they spread. I'm very happy that Christians has shown you people that Naija support for joy. I have never seen a Christian anywhere now advocate. Even Bishop Emeka Nwamkpa, how will members, all those pastors in Afro, have a large congregation. But have you heard their members anywhere coming out? Their members no. Na kapalo mwe hoka. Ije na church Bishop Emeka Nwamkpa today. Akana hoka. Ije na churches other people are arrested. I can akoka every Sunday. I can emi program ni na eme every program day. Ije we go say no the Bishop Emeka Nwamkpa ka hajiri we no be ba. Come on, no nya pastor fa. Now when you see their comment, you will see no, the innocent. God is going to vindicate him. You will see that is who we are as Christians. It's better you understand that or not. Yes, Jena church is here today. Service can agakwa on. More Harrisona if we put service can agakwa on a church here. TB Joshua will go today. Synagogue Church of All Nation can akapuka we do that. Umo I will go today. Akanaka kuka na cathedral umo by today. Kelafa ya Babalola Hanando to her Edahusa and Uchana many years ago. That foundation had make it then. Akanaka Puka today. Akamuka thousands and millions of faithfuls to the apostolic work of Bishop Benson Edahusa till today. That is to show you that For many of you now say, Evangelist Ebukobi, today. Even you are lying. You are lying. Zion ministry, Akurugo, with that Ebukobi or not, that ministry will continue. Father Mbaka, today or not tomorrow, if you think that adoration Enugu is going to close because Father Mbaka you are joking. Simple because of Nefu Plakoko. Who is going to continue with that Wayo and the media? All these people, the native doctor age, shrines Haketa, often Puchisia, who is going to continue with that Wayo and Budia with different format? Who is going to continue? Who is going to continue? How many Christians came from Goluba they made demonstrate? You people even took demonstration to work. Or why if you didn't print play card, the bridge work and demonstration, they kidnap, now accept, now arrest, and then what did be an hour job? If we dish now, if we do one very clear now, it is very clear. Even when they were arraigned in court, all money we naturally provoke Christians. Because this is who we are. As a Christian, no matter what they are, you can never be out to defend the lies or anything they draw show of. The moment the government arrested those people, that is not a confirmation that yes, that is not a confirmation. But I believe no information government did you arrest her. So we would rather wait and wait for that case to be proven beyond every reasonable doubt. Otherwise, you cannot see anybody because you can understand the fact that no one in the Jaffa Jesus will able you. Real. I am fake. Acknowledge good to me first. When I acknowledge you, I arrest your Madibia. Because is trying also go be the arrest one dog or has a book Omechie Ukodinana. He's against this one, he's against this one. He doesn't get a woman celebrate, is it? Okuzie speech about pastors on a map of it has to take the arrest of pastors for you to understand that Soludo will all one. I want since I heard you arrest him 1 million. Amana Oga arresting the pastor. If I had a show, case go by camera bala. You know that go? Amana Mbaho arresting the pastors. If you find the show, case go by camera. Bala may disappoint you on a may disappoint you on. I was expecting ground I will maintain now arrest of the native doctors are on but don't wait for now, not just to now shock all the religious effort. I may respect and arresting the pastor. No, you maintain what ground on whoever can if you arresting the pastors. I may respect whoever on the Swedish on what go silly, on what go silly clearly. No do. Yeah, no do. Yeah, now sentiment when it comes to religion is a top notch. If they do hear noise, I with the numbers. Look, Christians with the numbers to make Anambra State ungovernable for Soludo. We have the numbers. Yes, we have what it takes to make the Anambra State, this Anambra State, ungovernable for Soludo. But because what we want is truth, what we want is equity and justice. If I show name somebody name Opotanilo, I will money bedike. Only somebody name Opotanilo, or be a Zohi. Age day, or sooner only bedike. Then we get do to know where the kind of regard, Anamamato, do to know where the kind of regard and respect away from the bedike. Okuziano when you bedika happier. Okay, no lie, as in the bedike way trouble away. I use you a fish. I can't know how to know it. I use you a fish, that person may bad name. That person may paint the image bad. Okay, no lie, you can look at you a fish out to this person. Go see them mad because this person is not one of us. Then when we see another person we fish you out. Instead of I that, I don't happy. Now Sonia, kudos for doing a nice job. At least can them mad that this is not who we are as the case. Can them mad that this is not what we represent as the case. Either defend the. When you are defending that person, what it means is that every activities of that person is who you are and what you do. Exactly. I am trying to show you the difference. Or I will not act out of sheer ignorance. You people are now praising governor. Governor, well done. So Matthias, every day now, Governor Soludo is doing a nice job. Or somebody chobulu. Somebody saying no chobulu. Ilidi protest. Who remembers? I was the one who stopped that protest. I'm happy to say that. And they say that day. Matthias feel only if was said. Confirm. He was planning to lead a protest to Waka because of arrest of the native doctors. Governor the against him who na Anambra State, who a Christian state. He was planning to lead a protest until Mweme video. Not only video, some things, Gallo, even beyond that video, physically. Yes, Sagina was sent to Waka. He was invited immediately to Waka. Johnny and Asaka now. He was invited to Waka. Yes, Johnny, come on. We want you to come and register this your organization so that we can look at what you are doing and investigate and see what you are doing. He went there and he registered. However, you call off that protest that they don't want. Or by camera. We will not be going on the protest again because or going for color wash what is in the mud. So the same person showing a demonstration now arresting the Madibia is somebody who's now Governor Soludo is doing a nice job. Where John Denison and Matthias against a spirituality of him miracle never. Where John said on Oma Hife Apo Kahonalo. Oh, na Matthias believe Luna. May any spiritual power or anybody anywhere do capable of a work in ego. Na kaja ya de buto on man. Can you fold you which demonstration makana arrest la woko? Is he not supposed to be happy? Na arrest la wa. Can you patana o you which demonstration na arrest le ke hiti ha munde na pota na social media na market ife ha na eme na agbago na ha ya gboro wo nke eme na ha ya gboro wo nke eme na ha ya gboro wo nke eme. Why was he planning to come and do demonstration on their behalf? No support ife ha na eme. Na majority the moment I arrested Hanalum, the pastor, or Mafota, to be say Soludo is doing a nice job. Soludo is doing a nice job. He's doing Agbago. Our stand is very clear and firm. I've been very happy that even today, you have seen that stand I maintained then is exactly what we have maintained now. Because we were expecting now arrest a 100 pastor. News, thank God on a Musus, I can make that news self. You will have here up one F here. Now you will know that now my message to Rome straight that on order aligned to any particular distinct or not aligned to any particular effort. It is very clear. So, oh go on out alone. Now governor policy book any billboard anywhere. Never you do. Agent goes out billboard to church. Billboard to church mokado. Aka mount for ye. We say no bloga and propaganda. How you ever into governance no boda. Yes, lies and deceit. Lies and deceit. That was how you just emergency. You did a broadcast that your body language says it all. The most calm and the most he carefully selected his words on that live broadcast. Very calm. I've never seen Matthias in that calm manner before. He did it because he want to prove a point. And for you to know that now that broadcast not just he came back in full force to start again fighting against the pastor. Opposite when he thought that he will ordinarily cling to that NDC ticket. He thought, no, you're clinging to that NDC ticket. In know anything about the campaign again. The campaign should speed up now. 2 days after the celebration, we are still not hearing about anything. And Matthias will go to nowhere. He ran a whole broadcast yesterday just to lie on top of Governor Soludo. Just to lie on top of Governor Soludo. You want to bring in the nonsense in him and squeeze it into the good job that Governor Soludo has been doing in Anambra State. Look, let me tell you. Government officially out a pastor name for job. We will allow government to do their job. I want you to take that decision as only ordinary Olomo. Government fish out a pastor name for job. We will allow government to do their job. At the end of the day, or will they prove that Nonya, the innocent? We will all see, okay, Nonya are part of us. Is it clear now? Can you stand now and take that decision with us? You cannot take that decision with us because you know that you're fighting to channel against, and you know what you are fighting. You know what you are fighting. Churches need people see on the signboard. People see on the signboard. Where did you see that news? Where did you see that news? Mbaine share if Governor Sorudo about the native doctors. But today they are now sharing if Governor Sorudo about the pastors. You have now seen that their target is very clear. Their target is very clear. I have no any alignment with any pastor. I know you cannot swear for anybody. Yes, but by their fruit we shall know them. How else were you able to go in a business transaction with somebody, if not based on your assessment and what you have seen? If what you have seen convince you, you release money. If it doesn't convince you, you hold your money. Ever he hold your money when he can do genuine. Ever he release your money when he can do wrong or do bad. But the fact is that you must have to do your personal assessment first. And all based on that, when you come into a ministry that is working under God's grace and the other, you will know. At the end of the day, now they deceive you. But now they deceive you, I can assure you that with that pastor or without that pastor, the ministry must continue. It cannot end because not that pastor. Like that. No, that is a lie. That's not how the church functions. It cannot. When that pastor poor, God is going to pick another person to continue with that work. You got to go. The gift to do so enormous that anybody can possess that gift. I get what I'm saying. So, all a better na a ministry or a church hana operate it to operate. A better na go for consultation. Na go we barafa in terms of prophecy. Na go well na go that the church will pay as you go. E kasu kele ba e mabone ba moto ndohi. E mabone ba moto ndohi. So now all those pastors who can de I support Anambra state government now go after them. All those pastors who G afa chuku when they rip them mother off. Church is not pay as you go. You can go to a church, you can go to a ministry for 1 year without even giving 1 naira. God will always raise people who will finance the project in that church. Yes. Offering time, blessing time, we will hold the law. Only preaching nobody will ever force you to go and give your tithe. And in your tithe so now the offering and will no turn out. Tithe, a church, 5,000 and then we keep your tithe, we get 100 or 50. And no we keep offering time from what you need happen. So only church being a you were not under obligation that you must drop money or that you must give money. Yes. I repeat, church you will pay as you go. Zion, go Zion for 4-5 years. Although financially buoyant also. Go if for almost 4 to 5 years. You will be shocked to say that person up till now, that person will be even 20,000 slaves. Every Sunday, will transport her. Now 500 had in your offering. Kahana atoye. You want to go? Yes. For the name we can ego 500 oje na ego transport here we for na no ka oneje. You want to go? So you are not only you give money out of your personal conviction. We may open. Or a chore. Ndekulo na otoka ahiju ugo. Aite to little jedoto pua na otoka. ahiji ụgwọ mana nwanne ụtọ nwa dibịa wụ by fire by force efuru ụtọ nwa dibịa iwu wụ na from the day ịbata n'ime ebe a ka ihe iji ihe egokere ife ị na-eje ebe ahụ ijeme ọ na-arụ ọrụ amara our God na-enye free na-efu ka ọ na-enye ịghọtago so onye ọwụ na gwarago na ị ga-akwụ ụgwọ before wee napụta the Bible nọ there plan adụgo na Bible direction and directives adụgo na Bible so any Christian organization that is operating outside what is written in that scripture ịnọrọ there onwebụla ebe Jizọs Kraịst jere ihere mmadụ jụọ ya nye m ego ole dị otu a onwebụla ebe mmadụ jere ịfụ Jizọs ruo agwa ya ụmụazụ egbe na-eyi akwa ya ego ole dị otu a before wee fụ Jizọs ịghọtago and that is why eji wee na-eti mkpu anywhere any pastor gwalụwo na before efu ya na-eyi akwụ ụgwọ mgbe mmanụ na-atụ ụbọchị ụka njere na nke Dadi Ifrem ọ nọ nye ministry worldwide n'Obo steeti agbasago ụka anyị jebezi ebe ruo be ndị nne nwaanyị ma ụmụ agbọghọ ma ụmụ okorobịa ndị juru be chọrọ ịfụ ya na-esiri nri nyegotufa ripụgodo ụwa nri mgbe ahụ ị nọ na-eche ka efi ya esigodo nri nye gị nkwụ nyegodo mmanya ya na-aṅụ ịghọta ga-etiri ihu rice nye fanta jụrụ oyi nye okoku jụrụ oyi iwere ihe na-wash it down enyegodo gị rie yes ịghọta gị fa na mkpa so onye nke gwara na bife efu ya na-eyi akwụ ụgwọ na-eyi akwụ 100,000 or 50,000 or 20,000 onye ahụ wụ a glorified native doctor onye ahụ wụ a glorified native doctor often and on minus counseling where you need to be counseled or any declaration in a receive where God can visit you anywhere. That is why people today with testimonies that the church don't even know of. Yes, people with testimonies, church Pastor Hamhodo and that encounter at that church because the pastor one after the other. Mana one dibia na-enwe encounter with the client one after the other unless no one ziri. Yes, you must come there before that God favor. Afubu native doctor no na apart from million we don't teaching afubu native doctor put on Facebook na say the daga na screamer awobunago I command the ango Igbo bisiato I command Igbo bisiato to come and locate you afubu many dibia na-eme dibia you must come to him or you send somebody ebiano ewenye we fair we meet here you meet through that thing you are not getting anything according to them. You must have to show that commitment. Even before you must pay money. That is the difference clearly. Even from the comfort of your home, you can receive your miracle. Why focus on? That's why they will tell you, place your hand on the screen. TB Joshua, if I say but place your hand on the screen. I'm ebe play hand on the screen. Can you even want to hear? Oh my God, only to my for my away with all on how. But pastor on name that you must come to a bond. That is why the Zion and then churches, many churches now, Jew, Facebook and the other things, so that you will not say that not because of maybe on a church. That even right there at the comfort of your home, that you can receive salvation. Even right there at the comfort of your home, you can receive your miracle. Yes, even right there at the comfort of your home, you can have your testimonies. So some people actually you say that. Yeah. So I am telling you, that the difference is clear. Pastor Jerry is thousands of people na-follow you online who receive channel their pay. Ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ narị receive narị enwe divine encounter before he will locate in that church physically. Are you not aware? Are you not aware? I tell you, many people now had that Abebo church here for the first time. But not encounter and all over the world, every family. Maybe had you believe for the ministry. And I follow if I on Facebook. For those randomly only something just put on Facebook or fear or get before you know it will an encounter. If only was about that ministry in a so many people in Wiggle their encounter. You ought to go. Our billionaire okay, most will say. Our billionaire okay, the Rattle app is up and running. Or come out go here. Our billionaire is okay, and in case if you don't know, most will say he's still a billionaire. He just bought a car worth over 100 and something million the other day. You can't buy it. That is the difference. Are you getting me? His house is still at Ngozeka housing estate, Oka, which is one of the most expensive estates to own a property in Noka. Or to clear now. Okay, what I go. He still has Oka his head office there at Abakriki Street. Nothing has changed. Okay. Again, I say, where is your billionaire? I say, a guy who went a bank to come. Only on a more or billionaire. If you rat app for here, mepe luye, if you rat app ever. Go mepe kefia. Go mepe, if for here, DK Chukunonye Ndubisi. If for my own account, DK Chukunonye Ndubisi. If for here. So what it shows is that the Rattle app is still up and running. You can top up, you can do a lot of transactions there, you can view your history. If we so my Rattle app is still up and running. For you to you want to go for you to I hope Namos are your former. How is your billionaire? Kayasino Mori each man of my billionaire. So as I was saying, so this is clearly the difference. So the church extort a glorified native doctor. It is very clear. I've said it clearly. Look at the thousands of people in Zion, thousands of people in Kefada, thousands of people in Kefada Mbaka, and many others. Madoneka farmer one-on-one. They don't know people there. Yes, they don't know people there. Oh, I say I hate the declaration. Okay. Madoneka deboyema. Madoneka yedepoma. Mokorana carry their sukelana. Mother, they put an answer, Pastor, I have this problem. Pastor, I have this problem. Oh, Homanine can with that time. Homanine can with that time. These people are very busy trying to build their spiritual life. And in case you want to know what makes them different for you, what makes them different for you is that now the kind of distraction in a way, they concentrate more in building their spiritual life, the way you concentrate more in building your physical life and achievement. In case if you don't know, and if you have that gift that people can be blessed through you, that people can smile through you, you can never lack. From then I say, pastors, they should really follow yalo. Even pastors, they should yalo. They probably comedians say, that they should go and look for what to do, because either you like it or not, these people are all investing in soul-winning ministry. These people will ministry of men. Yes, all AYO, Abianolo, na stage, till after, Nihu, Nde, do, with bodies in their heart. That show more before you know it, your body are too free. Now, Hola, like now, a bright go your day. Before you know it, OT show you buy ticket. Abiano show, I don't boy go. Inokata, why are you go send na Jidegala? I get such gift. Always. Yes. As I'm telling you, always somebody birthday morning gagolaga. Yana the first person name every morning. That a whole lot to birthday. They receive 80,000 na my account. All over you. Also, so now my receipt patology will take a decision. My birthday, I think the 3 consecutive times since you were on Facebook. Every morning on my birthday, the account. go send the go 80,000 into my bank account. Gezina Efa send the Aaron Street to say happy birthday Ezugo. Also so nyama. Reason patalogy me. So nyama how if any member suena empathy or so nyama. And that is strictly ministry of men. Ministry that has to do with men and souls. You can never quantify the value or the benefit of it. That's why some people prioritize the ego. Some people prioritize the material things over putting much commitment to make sure that they're the perfect in that particular ministry. Many of them will have done actually. Man, they concentrate on that mission hand on it. Even in that, I'm actually they make a highway achieve. You don't need to. A pastor, you ain't more charge and yapute, or charge and yapute, you never arrange, there equal 100,000 carry a pony meriva, so also key way fully go to moto, a manner on a very good day. I'm not going to get our show la teta, Brumoto, Kamuta, Galono, times 3 or times 10, Brady Beef and Jay Kobe. Only people encounter with him. If for the difference. So you will always know a fake pastor when you come across them, except if there is something you are desperately looking for, that you feel like, with special places. If not, a pastor doesn't need to have one-on-one encounter with you. Do you know that Ebuka has damaged a lot of family and marriage in the name of prophecy? But many will not come out to talk. Example, he will say your uncle is killing you. He will say, Madam, I will tell you for free. There is no prophecy about family. He is not always ready. Or no family in a problem. He is always for them to win him. On Zion ground, and on Zion ground, reconcile all that family. Even they say could be reconciled, go more marriage that you can never imagine. Even they say could be bring good peace in so many families that you can never imagine. Yes. All na mataya say buho Obagala and didn't say but in a case of Mamumushu. Mamumushu by now supposed to reconcile with the family today. Yes. Yes. Or supposedly in peace with the family today, if not because not allow certain people to come and take advantage of what doesn't even exist, because the prophecy is very clear. Yes. So if they say go be prophecy, no way something to do with family. Only show for the family prophecy and or go go and bring your husband. Or go and bring your father and mother. So he has actually reconciled more families than you can ever imagine. He follow Zion prayer movement. They follow Ghost family. I want you to operation. Family. Bring it. Bring it now. Also, no, they mention them. Can I mention go them? Tell me we are Evangelist Ebukobi has said Emeka. Mishak one name. Tell me the same way prophecy has Siaga Kusiaga Umwe Foso. Umwe Foso. But the fact is that he has reconciled more families and bring peace, everlasting peace into many families. Yes, that is true. That is true. That is the fact you cannot run away from. So, I repeat, by their fruit we shall know them. By their fruits we shall know them. Like even as I am getting and family clinic I myself personally at first to be honest, at first before Nigeria we follow way up. Don't have my problem with that family clinic, but along the line I found out that family clinic not look at this guidance and counseling. And that through that family clinic, that many families has been restored. Peace has been restored into many families. Even some families in a broken home, father, jebelu mother, jebelu nke nwanyị or nke nwoke wee bịa na Zion. That you will hanya for ya for again unite that family. And in peace. And families need to unite God. They are all living in peace and harmony. Go and check it. So you will be the presence of God. You can even feel it. You can feel it yourself. The man of God, they need you will feel the presence of God. Yes. So let me tell you, man of God, number one, consultation. Number two, if you know you go na counter, yes, may he so rest in peace because somewhere yes, mode of operation. I know that those things and if what the way has to operate here, man a glorifying native doctor or just man on Jesus no one keep me outlet anywhere. When on a Alobinago, no need the region or somewhere they are one or people I do free to come there. You want to give it now, and that is it. So whereby mana and go only for you. Now they go madam, let me be honest with you. If you like, you can go to Zion without buying seraphic oil. You can buy if you go olive oil anywhere. You can take it to a pastor, bless you again. You can buy holy water. You can buy water anywhere. Jane and pastor, bless you again. If you want to buy olive oil in a church, go to church, you go happier. If you have the olive oil in a church, in case you Winners Chapel, Chime special anointing service, you have the right to go and buy your olive oil. Will you be in a church? And only you go into church, you go here, you go here, on a pempe, and but none of them they are all winners can leje. Or you had on a motor, or you had on a shop, or you had on my house. But you can go and buy from anywhere. Supermarket or anywhere. So I prefer to come to church and buy it. It is my decision. It is my decision to buy that. Otherwise, you can special anointing service. You can come with your olive oil, anoint or carry it to her. So you don't need anybody to tell you that the presence of God not at a particular place. If you want somebody to spiritually alert, you will feel it the moment they battle. Only wounded to the spirit, you want the on into a kiss with TPC, where India and that is why I na pastor na mad munye na pastor na di member say why can he fall back to Kini fo gbagidoro iwe yipo pantego. Kono ko gbagidoro iwe yipo pantego. Imo na ahwa do ho. Kono ka pastor gbagidoro iwe do pantego via. Imo na ahwa do ho. Ni si ado ho ma. Because they ignore the signs at first. You other go. Ignore Efro. Oh, the Rebuka is a criminal. Stop defending him. He has destroyed Christianity with his criminal activities. 40-year-old man without a wife, but he's a bit foreign dress and stuff. Obviously, tell Ebukobi to stop fighting on Baka. You see, that is the only concern him. And if he didn't Kebwa, the first one. The first thing he doesn't exist anywhere. Yes. The first thing he does not exist anywhere. You want to go? It does not exist anywhere. Mano hatred, you will evangelist Ebukobi no. Be from this second thing he tell Ebukobi to stop fighting for Dambaka. I can show you videos. Fadambaka na Ebukobi, but you cannot show me any video where Ebukobi is talking about Fadambaka. Bella, or to go clear to you now. And they manage you can never. So I need to attend to something. But the one of Matthias and Amos, yes, spread is not lies. Only billboard anywhere. Anambra state government is in the church. If I had anywhere when I'm also say, and they should stop misquoting Soludo. For Governor Soludo to acknowledge the fact that now they will name fake miracle. Before you have fake money, you can never have the fake of anything that doesn't exist. Let me be honest with you. You can never have the fake of anything that doesn't exist. If there is fake naira, what it means is that name will real naira note. That is why government in shouldn't the fake ones. If there is fake information, and with the real and original information. So if there is fake, if governor use the word fake miracle and fake prophecy, what it means is that name will correct and real miracle and the prophecy. If not, Matthias do entirely against miracle. Miracle by the church show, not in the native doctor. Because he show me die saying that if the guy in a go do pieces, if that guy here that war want to follow. That guy here, they fish about go. So Matthias do entirely against prophecy, but against prophecy and miracle. But I would like you to show me a video where Soludo came out against miracle and prophecy. Then I be there by Chineke goes to